Hire has a large range of traffic management solutions, from variable message boards ideal for roadworks, advertising or event management, to Barricades and Barriers providing approved protection solutions in work zones and events, assisting with direction of pedestrian and vehicle traffic. Also signs and bollards to notify drivers and pedestrians of changes in traffic conditions. We offer a variety of solutions from our electronic board range, including trailer-mounted 5-colour variable message boards to feature full-colour video, and also truck-mounted attenuators which protect workers on foot in work zones. We have a range of barricades and barriers to cover different degrees of protection, from water-filled plastic barriers to the highest MASH standard approved steel barriers, offering maximum protection and best possible solution for speed and traffic deflection. And porta booms, which are remotely controlled, keeping traffic controllers out of the firing line and off the road. Our signs and bollards range is not limited and includes multi-message road signs, traffic cones to assist with clear direction for foot and road traffic through and around work zones, road closures and events. We also have a full range of pedestrian ramps, road plates, trench covers and portable lighting solutions in our traffic management range to provide a full solution for your job. We can deliver to your site anywhere in the country, and because you're hiring from Kennards Hire, the equipment is backed by 24/7 service and support. For more information, visit the website or call into your nearest branch.